Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
So we are on the river walk, walking around. No matter where we go, there's always going to be something going on in the background. Sorry. Prettiness. There you go. Alright.
So what's your experience in the river walk?
So it's a lot of shops and hotels that you can access to, not from the main street, but on a bottom level. So it's very calming, and if you make it to a certain spot, there's many bridges that you can go walk up to cross over to get to the other side or to get back to the main level. Hey, so we're in downtown San Antonio. You have the main area where all the cars can go, and then a story down below you get to walk along the river. It's about 1.5 miles long, I think. And we're not the beginning, we're not the end. We're somewhere near the middle. So I'll show you some views as we walk around.
It's like a city under the city. This is the map of the whole river walk. As you can see, that's the Alamo, and that's where we park. This is where we're gonna walk, so we can come back out. That way we can go back to where we parked. And then the Tower of America and all the highlights. And there's a dam right there. So you can have boat services down there. It's all real. Shuttle. It is dog friendly. Plenty of places to walk as well.
Oh, this is hurt. Hi, buddy. Oh, good old man. Maybe.
Look what's behind us.
Tower of America.
We're not going there today.
No, unfortunately, but something that I've seen others do. And it's kind of like what we did at the CN Tower when we were in Canada. So if you haven't seen that video, check that one out. But yeah, looks like a lot of fun. And another boat right over there. Yeah, that's nice. For the boat tour, it does cost $12 per person. So if you don't want to walk around, you can take one of those and you can go underneath all this stuff.
Well, this looks like the end of our tour.
Yes, we made it to the end of the Riverwalk, or at least one of them. And it's at the mall. Yay. I need heels. I'm so short. Okay. So make sure that you follow us on
Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to become our Patreon so we can make more videos like this.
for you. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned to next time.
Bye-bye.
We got some Buc-ee's nuggets. Bold and sort of spicy. Oh, we didn't see the sorta part. It says sorta. I wonder why they weren't so spicy. What's it taste like, baby?
Not spicy.
Yeah, it's not spicy at all. But, what did we say it tastes like?
Cheese balls.
Yeah. Cheetah. Let me see your fingertips. Makes them yellow and crazy like that too. And we also got the sea salted caramel beaver nuggets. Yeah.
Caramel popcorn.
Yeah, it tastes like caramel popcorn.